3. Welcome to episode 1 of my Poppin' Drills series. The videos in this series are designed specifically for dancers who want that crystal clear pop. The two key factors to achieve that are great muscle control and perfect rhythm, both of which are what we'll be covering. If you're new to my channel, I'm Seach, I teach, and I make dance tutorial videos. If you find my videos helpful and would like to support the channel, you could do so by clicking the like, subscribe if you haven't already, and also hit the bell icon for instant notification when I post. My tutorials are dance-along videos, which means you can practice along with me as you watch. Every video has multiple drills, and each drill is about 1 minute, not too long, but enough to build muscle control and strengthen your rhythm. My challenge to you is try to keep up with me throughout the entire drill. If you can't do it at first, try again tomorrow, because building muscle control and that perfect rhythm takes time and patience. For the tips and explanations of each drill, watch toward at the end of the video. This is where I go over specific techniques on how to avoid some common mistakes. Now, if you're ready, I'll see you in the drills. Enjoy, have fun, and let's make it funky. section, guys, we are going to go over drill number 1. But before we go any further, I want to make sure that you guys are aware I have a popping tutorial playlist. In those sections, we go specifically on some of the techniques on how to pop just the arms and also just the legs, chest, neck, and whatnot. This series is a combination. We're getting our whole body into it, all right? So moving on further, here's go. Drill number 1. What we're doing is we're starting our legs together and we're stepping out and putting our weight onto the right side, all right? So stepping out, we go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now notice we're popping on every 2, 4, 6, 8, all right? So the reason why is because the first 2 8 counts, I want you to learn to relax in between the beat. So you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I want you to really focus on the power as well as the timing. You never ever compromise the timing. The timing always has to be perfect, all right? So I want you to relax. The reason why I want to go over slowly and very carefully is because so many times poppers are early because you're anticipating the beat and you jump ahead of the beat, okay? So I want you to learn to relax. Only pop on the 2, 4s, and 8s, okay? So you step out on 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Second 8 count, you're stepping to the left side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now exactly what I'm popping, well, obviously the arms as well as the leg, okay? The leg is the one that I'm putting my body into. So when I step to the right side, I'm popping my right leg. Boom. Left leg, right leg, then down. Obviously you guys notice the arms right here. This is about the shoulder. I bring my arms about shoulder width or shoulder height here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 right here. This is almost like I'm knocking on someone's door right here, okay? So elbows up and then fist up. Exact angle doesn't really matter, okay? So 6, 7, 8 legs together. Again, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Then obviously the next part, if you see, we're doing doubles. Now we're popping every 1, 2, 3, 4. We're doubling. You're going 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay? Arms, legs. If you can, add the neck. All right? That's also in the popping tutorial. If you can add all that stuff in, the legs, arms, neck, chest even if you can. All right? So those are the 4 things that we're continuously popping throughout these entire drill series. Okay? So we have the first 2 8 counts, which we'll call it halftime. Basically, we're popping only on every 2 4s and 6 8s. And the following 8 counts, the following 2 8 counts will be every beat, which is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, and we're doubling it. Okay? So you'll see we call that tempo. Okay? One more time. We have 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Then we're gonna go quick, right? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. That's our drill number 1. Pretty simple, but you gotta remember the key thing is gotta be on beat, and you have to be on beat throughout the entire time. There's so many students that I've seen. You know, the first 2 8 count is real good. Once you're a little warmed up, once you're a little bit tired, it's really easy to be ahead of the beat, okay? So focus throughout the entire drill, be on beat towards the end of the drill, just as you are at the beginning of the drill. All right, guys, if there's any questions, feel free to hit me on the comments below. Otherwise, I will see you in the next drill. Okay, guys, welcome to drill number 2. We're reviewing what we're doing on drill number 2. Again, arms and legs. So I can see sideways. Here we go. I'm stepping back with my right leg. Again, the first 2 8 counts, you gotta remember, we are doing every 2 beats, right? 2 4 6 8. So I'm stepping back on 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. So what I'm doing, stepping back right leg, 1 2. When I step back, my chest is still forward, so you gotta understand the weight, okay? The weight distribution, my hip and leg is going back, but I'm kind of leaning forward. 1, 2 right here. And the arms, I'm crossing, and it's like, this is the popping, okay? It's like I'm pushing away this way. Now, obviously, I'm not doing this movement, but it's real slight right here. Boom, okay? So I got 1, 2, 3, 4. Now from here, I'm stepping back here and lean back. Boom, okay? What am I popping? I'm popping the back leg because I'm leaning back. So first one, 1, 2. Again, I'm popping this leg, same leg, right leg. Right leg, okay? And then going back, boom, step, okay? One more time, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And then same thing the other side, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So that's when we did it slow. And the same thing when we go fast, or not fast, but we're popping on every beat. You gotta still focus on hitting every beat, on time, right? So we're doubling it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And then so forth, okay? So again, what we're drilling is knowing how to shift weight. First drill, we're shifting, sideways. Second one, we're shifting back and then forward, right? Back or lean back, lean forward. While we're leaning, we're still popping our arms, our leg, neck, chest if we can, okay? All right, guys. Gotta review, gotta drill. I mean, this is called drill for a reason. It's not choreography. It's drill because we want to train our muscle to be able to relax, flex and relax in any position, okay? Especially be on beat. It takes training, guys. It's not something that, you're born with or something that you can get easily. It's one of those things that takes time, patience, and a lot of practice. A lot of drilling. That's why we call this drill series. All right, guys. See you in drill number 3. Okay, guys, welcome to drill number 3. This is where we're combining drill number 1 and drill number 2 together. So this here, you kind of have to focus and remember what part of the routine there is. All right. So the first one, obviously, is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 2, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now we're moving on to drill number 2, which is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 2, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now we're gonna double it, right? Or tempo. We're hitting both beats. You're going 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 2, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Going back, double, boom, boom, ta, ta. 5, 6, 7, 8. 3, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay? So again, it's the same drill. Slow the first 2, or half time the first 2, and then tempo the second 2. Okay? Just gotta be aware of which part of the 8 counts you're in. And the great thing is, if you follow along with me, you can watch the cues and you can do it along with me. All right? Mixing these two together. Again, why do we do this? We want to be able to flex and relax at different parts. You want to be able to go sideways as well as the back, okay? So I'm gonna bring more of these popping drills series because there's so many different angles. You might be very powerful popping this way here. But once I introduce a new angle, maybe if I turn your arms up or palms up this way, the power is gonna be different. The timing could be different, okay? Same with the body, if you're popping this way, you could probably feel the difference. Popping this way versus popping this way. There's a slight change and we gotta get our body used to it. All right, guys, hope you guys have fun, learn a lot, and continue practicing this because to me, this is a great skill. You can add to other styles if you wish to, all right? As always, if there's any comments, any questions, feel free to drop in the comments below. I read them, I check them often. I'll get back to you as soon as possible. If not, I definitely appreciate all the support that you guys giving me. And can't wait to see you guys in the next drill. All right, I'm out. Peace.